This agility ladder is an amazing way, indoor or outdoor, to be able to use and set up. There's obviously no assembly required. It comes with two pieces that are 3 squares each. And you can see how easy it is to set up. Boom, straighten it out, and you're set. So you can use these however you want. I like to kind of stagger them. These are great for training for soccer, football, whatever it might be. This can be used in so many different ways, whether kind of like in a hopscotch kind of way. And again, there is an endless amount of ways to be able to use this. However you want to do it, there's no wrong way. Super easy to use. It is a thick, nice, thick rubbery material, so this thing is very durable. It's got some flexibility to it, so if you, and some stretch to it as well. So if you, constantly step on it instead of through it, you're not going to break it, you're not going to tear it. It's high quality, and I love that. It also comes with a nice drawstring bag as well for storage, to be able to keep them both in there, and then be able to take this on the go, whether you're going to the soccer field, the football field, indoor gym, or just storing it at your house and using it in your room on the carpet like this, hardwood floor. Really any type of flooring or ground is good for this, so highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing this for me.